we are looking at how to pronounce these words, really these two words, one being sort of slang for the other. So the top word is probably the one you know, a girl. You have a boy and a girl, right? Girl. So you have an sound, a schwa sound. Then you want to curve your tongue to produce the R sound before the L. Girl, okay? The bottom word is slang for a girl. It's used in the US in particular, I believe. And it said gal. So it's a much more open R sound. Gal. And then you curve your tongue for the L. A girl versus a gal. Girl, gal. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more slang terms and vocabulary in English. See you there. Thanks for watching.